Yo, bruv, I know you can't probably see this, yeah? But see this sheep, yeah? This sheep over here, bruv. See him? It's supposed to be with his pussy over there, yeah? Don't know how he got out, bruv. Watch, bruv, watch. Hey, yo, come here, bruv. I'm gonna open up his thing, yeah? So I can go see his fam. See the fam over there? Yeah? I open up this thing. Got mad double gates on it because they keep getting out because they're intelligent when it comes to escaping and thing. See, man's running away. Hey, come back here, bruv. Hey, pussy. Yo, sheep just ain't they ain't in jelly tent. I mean, they ain't in jelly tent. They ain't in jelly. They ain't telly jelly. They ain't smart like us, you know. They're a bit thick, bit dumb. Like this motherfucker over here, yeah, supposed to be in with his fam. Now I'm gonna try and get him in, yeah. He's gonna run the fuck away every time. Watch, ninja thing. I'm rocking across the pig paddock, yeah. All them sheeps is coming out. My man's sheep's over there with the horses. I'm gonna cut across, yeah. Stealth, bro, stealth, go. Yo, wagwan now, pussy hole. Dickhead, move. Swear down, fam, you're gonna get bashed up. Oh, nah, none of that. Swear down, fam, move. Out breath, bruv. Running's hard and thing. See this one here, yeah? She got balls, even though she's a she. Come on, yo. Come on, man. This way, yo. Come, man. Nah, start. Nah. Move, bruv. Move. Bear, fam. Get in there. Yes, blood. Man ting. Job complete, G. Get me. Bra. That's how we do. Humans 1, sheep 0, bruv. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bruv. Humans is smart rich. Much more smart rich than sheep. I got this. Now, wait a second. Just give me a sec. Yo, I can't get this unlocked. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. Anyway, peace.